Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to delete comments in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Alright, so if you no longer want a comment or multiple comments to be visible in a Google Sheets spreadsheet, here's how you can delete them. So as you can see, we have added this comment. This is just a test comment that this is our comment. And basically you have two options to delete a comment, is to click on the cell where the comment has been placed. And as you can see, you can mark as resolved and hide this discussion, so basically this comment, or you can also add other comments here. So this is the first option to remove a comment. The second option is if you right click on the more options, three dots here, you're gonna see that here you can completely delete this comment, and you also have to confirm that you want to delete this Google Sheets comment thread. So click delete, and as you can see, the comment has been deleted. So now these are the two ways how to delete comments in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets shortcut keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.